Good afternoon, dear student. Once again, I am here for basically taking care of your subject. Uh, my name is Dr. Anand Kumar Choudhary, Assistant Professor at ISM. And today we will discuss about designing distribution network and warehouse. That is very important topic. So I would like to basically need your attention, and for that, stay calm and stay connected. Before going ahead with the subject or the topic, I, I would like to say that the designing distribution network focus on the distribution network. I'm giving you some of the big company name like Walmart, Dell, Alibaba from China, 7-Eleven from Japan, and many more. These companies are big and known because of the region. They have very good distribution network. Their competencies in distribution network is, you cannot imagine how much it is. So distribution network is nothing like a subject where manufacturer to the customers we talk. We need to create a network that is for the distribution, and if you solve this problem of distribution of your business products, almost half of the work has been done. So without taking too much of time, let's start. What does it mean? The learning outcome, certainly how to design a distribution network, battlefield of the business. Because why it is a battlefield of the business? Reason is that the organization against organization, the supply chain against supply chain. Maruti is not fighting with Toyota or Hyundai. The Maruti supply chain is fighting with the Hyundai or Toyota. So this is the battlefield in fact, and understanding warehouse in practices, in practical life. So let's start with the slides. The first slide says designing distribution network means what? Designing distribution network can be, even distribution network can be designed using a variety of method. Facility location, a term which is basically used in the distribution, is facility location, the right location for the manufacturing facility. Always remember the right location, that is for the manufacturing facility. Accordingly, you have to think about the transportation network analysis. Transportation may be road, rail, ship, air. It's all depend upon the strategy, the planning which you have, and what kind of product, the nature of the product, utility of the product, and the importance of the product as well. The transportation is going to be used. And the capacity planning, certainly the what does it mean? Capacity planning. What do you mean by capacity planning? The process of determining the potential need of your project. Potential need. What is the potential need of your project? Certainly to satisfy the customers. So it is customer centric activities. If suppose you on online, you are doing shopping for an apparel, and you order a product, at the same time you expect, your expectation is like to say that it should be delivered within a time period. So company is doing the things, you can say that they have taken almost 2 days extra from your side, and they give you 2 days before the delivery, and you feel satisfied in that sense. So distribution network is that the supplier to the customer, the play, the networks. Distribution network are designed to meet the customer demand, which can include high level of customer service. High level of customer service, low transportation cost should be there, and fast delivery. just a minute, I have said that. Distribution network ensure customer satisfaction for a wider customer group, including the retailers, wholesaler, and manufacturer. So these are the players. These are the players which we have to know in a very good way, so that the network can create and our product should be placed in that way, and product can easy to promote. You can easily promote your product to the target audience or the customers. But there is an issue. There is an issue. Suppose you have your own business of XYZ product or ABCD, and the player, because distribution network, if you want to create, it has cost. So you are looking for the someone of the brand distributors, and they are just negating you to accept your product in basically terms of promotion. They do not want to sell your product because there are lots of companies, the known companies, the product is known, so that they have their brand. So the company, distribution do not allow you to enter into that campus or the businesses. The issues, what will be the issues? Issues, certainly the distributor think about you. There might be the quality issue, product quality in a sense, the product ROI, new product, certainly. If you do not have a known product, it's certainly for the distributor, it may be the new product for themselves, and low margin, they are thinking about the same, brand building, and tough competition. Due to these areas, these are the areas where we have to think why distributor is not entertaining each and basically each and every company. The reason is that they don't have trust on your product. They do not basically thinking about you because of the new product, what will be the success or failure story of that product, the margins, what you offer to them, and the tough competition among the competitors. Certainly, we have benefits of distribution network and the wide range of benefit, not one or two or three. It gives you a low sales, marketing, and distribution cost. If you have a very reputed brand, distributors in your hand, certainly half of the work has done, because the distributor play an important role to promote your product. A big distributor will not give you a chance or opportunities to enter into that business because of the region. They create their own brand. Market penetration will be easy if you have a very good distributor in your hand. Trustworthy partner. They believe, customer believe on their, basically the distributor trustworthy. Rapid testing. Rapid testing means the check out the market and efficiency. So HUL, Procter and Gamble, Dover, Coca-Cola, these are the big companies which is known for their distribution network, and these companies is known for the basically the product based company in sense, and they are doing very good in the market because of the distribution network. Certainly we have disadvantage also. Risk of distributor brand. Customer may think about your product like it may be the product of the distributor, because the product is new, or it may be some other region. Delay in payment. If your product is not basically have a demand, what will be happen? Certainly the distributor will not pay you on time, and you need a payment for your operation. Leisure control. You don't have a control over the distributor, because you don't have option. If you do have your own distributor, it has a cost. So you depend upon your distributor, and so the controlling activities is losing, and that is why it is leisure in control. Increased cost, certainly. Distributor, wholesaler, and the retailer, these are the players. These things has to be understand. Some of the factors that influence distribution network design, like response time, product variety, product availability, customers experience, the most important thing, order visibility, and returnability. Benefit of deciding on a distribution network: reach, efficiency, cost. What does it mean? Reach. A distribution network gives you the ability to reach a larger number of customers. And certainly it will be the helpful to the customer as well. It assess to the customers. Efficiency. Distribution network can help you to be more efficient in your distribution process. Certainly the cost. Distribution network can help you to save money on distribution cost. Real world example of distribution network, I have already said Coca-Cola, Toyota, Walmart. Is basically these are the companies. They have basically their distribution network, and for that he is known for. Nike is there, Amazon, Samsung, Apple. So these are the things which we have to basically work on if we have basically thinking about to start our own business, to create your own distribution network. And creating a distribution network is a complex process. It is not an easy task. So that there is something to basically understand. Define your distribution net goals first. What is the goal behind the distributions? Certainly the business is going to be the profitable. So accordingly, you have to think like that. Evaluate your distribution options. How many options which is available in your hand? Choose the right distribution partner. Negotiate distribution agreement as well. Create a distribution plan. Modify the distribution network. So these are the basically the right distribution network. For right distribution network, you need to work on your goal. What is your goal behind the business? Because it has a complex process. In the last, I will take a few minutes. Warehouse importance and type and the functions. Warehouse, what does it mean? I have already said there are lots of companies who is working without the warehouse. The reason behind warehouse has its cost. And if your demand is not up to the basically target, certainly it will be the loss of the business. So the cross-docking is a word where there is no role of warehouse, but still we have to study warehouse. It has an importance. A warehouse is what? A place to store inventory. Inventory means a stock. It may be the stock that may be the fresh or dead also. In terms of raw material, we can say that has also inventory. So warehousing means maintaining the stock of raw material, components, spare parts, fuels, work in progress, finished goods, and more in a convenient storage location. Convenient storage location basically talking about the accessibility, the reachability. And warehouse is a part of development of facility structure. A facility structure is a part of the logistical infrastructure which support one or more logistical functions. Functions of warehouse: receiving, inspections, repackaging, put away, order picking or selection orders, sorting, packaging, shipping, and cross-docking, as I have already said. Importance of warehousing: certainly the seasonal production is there, seasonal demand is there, large. Accordingly, I'm not talking that these are the importance of only warehousing. If you have a basically plan of a business of seasonal product or seasonal demands, the large scale production, quickly supply, continuous production. These are the areas where you have to think before doing the further planning. So thank you so much for basically in a group of Dr. Anand Kumar Choudhary, having in a group of Anand Kumar Choudhary. And certainly I feel you will be able to understand the supply chain management, analytics, and planning, supply chain planning, and then thereafter designing distribution network. And I hope you will certainly enhance your knowledge. And we will meet again in the next sessions. But till that, thank you so much, and stay calm and stay connected. Thank you so much.